From the very beginning, 4 years from now, was created because Mobile World Congress is really a kind of event for telcos to sell to other telcos. So companies like the ones that we work with didn't really have a place that they could go to.
Startups that then become scale-ups, that then become big companies like Facebook.
A lot of the startups that join Wayra do so because they realize that we can really help them to scale. And I think that part of what they want access to is our global presence. Bringing them from the UK to Spain to access Telefonica and the telco sector in all of its glory is kind of what makes us different from a lot of the other accelerators.
British startups are awesome because I think in Britain maybe we care more about building companies that are sustainable and can grow to be big companies rather than just creating unicorns.
Normally the UK builds great businesses in industries that aren't getting so much of the public attention. You know, there's a lot of gaming companies that have come out of the UK. There's a lot of database businesses that come out of the UK.
Well, I think there's been a whole mindset change in the way that startups in particular are viewed. Tech startups are obviously really cool at the moment, and I think having big players like Telefonica involved in the ecosystem has really helped to build that image. I think Telefonica have looked at it a really good way of building a really impressive bunch of startups that they actually want to do things with themselves, as well as actively encourage them to work with others.
When we came into Wayra, I had not much more than an idea on a piece of paper, really, and we've been able to use that platform to build the product and to get some really, really great connections throughout the whole of Telefonica and throughout other businesses as well.
Networking, contacts, it's the introductions and so on. So within Wayra, we've had countless events and organisations and pitch sessions that have come through.
It's a great place to sort of start that networking process of getting those meetings. I mean, if any startup cold calls somebody senior within a corporate, it's very unlikely to go well, or that they're not going to give you the time. Whereas just a warm introduction, it just gets you enough credibility to open that meeting when the guy, at least you've got 5 minutes of his time, he's going to listen to you, he's going to hear what you say.
Having Telefonica there, who is a global company, has allowed us to get those connections across the world.